Hello everybody, if you guys have been in search of a 4-bedroom house with a 3-car garage, an open concept living space, and on nearly half an acre lot, not too far from Houston, Texas, then I think this one might be the one for you guys. This home is located in Tomball and is listed for $569,990. It's gonna give you 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage on 2,680 square feet of living space on nearly half an acre lot. Now let's go ahead and see what $569,000 gets you here in Tomball, Texas. Here we are in the front of this beautiful farmhouse. You have lots of greenery all around for that curb appeal, and you are located in the Sorella community in Tomball, zone to the Waller ISD. Stepping inside, you have this covered porch here. And walking inside, you have this grand foyer. Now this home will be a 1-story, which is highly sought after. Now on top of the 4 bedrooms you will be getting, you also get a work from home office with no carpet and views to your front. You can also convert this into a 5th bedroom if you may like. And next up is gonna be your formal dining space located here before you get to the open concept. And then across from it, you get your 1st bedroom, which is a very good size, if I do say so. And this one will be an ensuite. If you guys have guests that like staying over, they can go ahead and occupy this room because they will have their own bathroom. And there's its closet space. Very generous size closet for this ensuite, which is a tub shower combo. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this open concept living space that I was telling you guys about in the intro. Take a look at this high ceilings, open concept all around, connecting your kitchen, your entertaining space so well. Now here we can start with the kitchen, which is absolutely beautiful with these dark gray cabinets. You get quartz countertops with a built-in appliances. You get the double ovens there. Here is gonna be a small pantry, but just take a look at all the cabinet space you will be getting to compensate. Pendant lighting, and you get views to your living room, to the formal dining, and to your backyard, all in this area. And behind this, you will find your 3-car garage, your mudroom, and your utility room, which has additional cabinet space, as you can see. And let me show you your 3-car garage, as it is one of the main focal points of this house. It even has some natural light coming in, as well as access to your attic. And as soon as you would step through the garage door, you will be met with your mudroom, which has lots of outlets there for whatever you may need. Coat hangers there. And take a look at this beautiful herringbone backsplash found here in the kitchen. Now moving along to the living room, you have a nice ceiling fan, plenty of natural light coming in through these windows actually, and a gas log fireplace with this stacked stone veneer. Now let's go ahead and take a look at your primary, which is gonna be the only bedroom located on the left side of the house. Here it is with those big windows giving you an abundance of natural light. Very open, just like the living room. And here behind these French doors is your primary bathroom. You're gonna have a sink on each side, and then you have your standalone shower there and your soak-in tub here alongside your private bathroom there. And at the very end, through this door, you have a very open closet for your primary bathroom, as you guys can see. Now, I actually like that this stand-up shower has a sitting area. If for those elderly people that may need to sit down while showering, or take a little bit of a rest, they can do so. Now, let's go ahead and check out behind the kitchen, because that's where you find your 2 last bedrooms and a bathroom. Here we are, right behind the kitchen, you find your 3rd bedroom, and it has this kind of cathedral ceilings, this vaulted ceiling design up top with a generous sized closet there. And across from it, you find your 4th and final bedroom, and you get a very similar sized concept for your closet. Now, in between these 2 bedrooms, you do have a shared full bath here. This would be your 3rd and final one, which is a tub shower combo. Views to your side yard, which we'll get to in a bit because it is on half an acre. Now guys, here you have extra space for any storage you may need. And across from that, you have another coat closet. Now let's go ahead and check out the backyard because I know you guys are excited to see. Now you are located towards a cul-de-sac lot, so you won't be getting too much traffic through here. They are currently building other homes in this area, so you will see a bit of construction with that truck and this house right over to our right side. Now this will be the back side. You can see lots of space here. And if we turn around, you currently have no rear neighbors. You do have 2 mature trees here alongside your covered patio, guys, which will come with a gas line and pre-wiring if you guys want to add an outdoor sink or kitchen. And over here is where you find most of your backyard space. You can see you can definitely add a pool here, maybe a playground, and your pets will absolutely love it. It's fully fenced. You guys won't have to worry about them escaping. Take a look at that, guys. Now, guys, that wraps up today's tour of this very open concept modern farmhouse located here in Tomball, listed for under $600,000. If you guys would like to schedule a private tour or get more information, my contact will be down in the description. Give me a call and shoot me a text and we'll get you started. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.